If A and B are positive integers, is A over B less than 9/11ths? Okay, I don't have a trick here. I went on and did long divisions right here. 9 divided by 11 is this 0.81 with the 81 repeating. Now look at clue 1. A over B is less than 0.818. So A over B is a 9/11ths. So 0.818, is that less than 0.8181, which is with 8 ones repeating? Yes, that's true. That answers yes, it is. So clue 1 works. Now clue 2, here, what I want to do first is mess with A over B less than 9/11ths. So flip that fraction, reverse the inequality, flip that one. And that gives you B over A is greater than 11/9. And I found 11/9 right here to be 1.222, the 2 repeats. So let's look at this. B over A is 11/9, which is 1.222. Is that greater than 1.223? And the answer is no. That doesn't work. So only clue 1 works, so the answer is A.